The moment we walked into the new building, there was a sense of increased pride. It was quite awe-inspiring. We think the building is a really beautiful building aesthetically. It's got lots of open space. It's set in beautiful grounds. So it was a wonderful experience, and it was that culmination of an awful lot of hard work. And just to see the look on the children's faces when they moved into the building was something that I will never ever forget. This new school building, stands, alone there amongst some of the best facilities within Wales and the UK and the world. It's an outstanding school facility, and we're very, very proud to have that. I think it's raised the standards in terms of what we expect in the classroom, what we expect when the pupils are walking around the school, and also just the ability for them to get involved in a range of extracurricular activities, whether that is to do with sports, art, music, drama. We've seen a huge increase in that, and that all adds to an increased sense of pride, confidence and a can-do attitude for the students in this part of the city. First and foremost, what the new building has allowed us to do is improve the quality of learning in the classroom, and really promote an emphasis on learning, promoting enhanced well-being, and making sure that all students are in the right place to learn in a first-class, world-class education venue. They are there, and they're really enjoying the improvements in terms of ICT, the quality in teaching, the improved relationships between staff and pupils across the board. So all of that has been incredibly useful for us. I think it's really led to an improvement in standards, and we see that each and every day.